Now the ladder with the 7 steps is sometimes complicated and hard to remember. Oh, is this step 3 or 4? I can't really remember. Well, I'm going to give you a simplified way to think about the ladder. And it looks like this. Pause, rewind, fast forward. And that's the sequence. Pause, rewind, fast forward. So when we move from tell me what to do to what do you see, so that's where I'm stopping. What do you see? Observation. It's just description of the current state. And because it's simply description, it feels very safe. So this is the first step above tell me what to do. Then rewind. How did we get here? What came before this? What do you think the root cause is? What's making this happen? So it involves some thinking, but the thinking is reflected into the past, which tends to feel more certain. Oh, I can make up a story and explain why we are where we are right now. So again, it's a little more vulnerable than simply observation and description, but not a whole lot more. Then we go into the future. Okay, what do you think we should do? Or what do you intend to do? Or maybe even at level 6, you just took action and you just did it. But it's pause, rewind, fast forward. And for me, I just picture those buttons on the old time VCR. I'm David Marquet. That's your leadership nudge.